Hi, my name is John Norman, and I'd like to invite you to join me on Wednesday, April 22nd at FDIC 2020 for an exciting class called Building Construction for the Street Smart Firefighter. This is a 1 hour and 45-minute class on one of the most important topics a structural firefighter must master. It is valuable for all levels of firefighter and fire officer and covers the most critical aspects of the structure fire, the burning building itself, and the impacts it can have on a firefighting operation. Topics covered include a description of the various classes of buildings, what to expect from each type when involved in fire, flashover and flame spread hazards, the impact of building geometry on fire growth and firefighting operations, the hazards of void spaces and where to find them, categories of building and their resistance to collapse, fire-related causes of collapse and indicators of potential collapse, building alteration hazards, and the dangers of truss failure. The goals here are to teach attendees how to recognize each of the 5 classes of building construction and to help students understand the differences between the various types, to recognize the unique hazards associated with each type, to ensure that students understand what makes them so deadly to firefighters, and to show students a variety of tactics for safely dealing with each type. This class will discuss case histories of line-of-duty deaths involving each class, many of which might have been avoided if the on-scene fire forces had recognized the particularly deadly nature of the structure that they were dealing with and implemented a more suitable attack. This will be done using actual on-scene photographs and/or videos and an analysis of changing conditions to point out opportunities to divert from the path to tragedy wherever possible. We will review these case studies with the intent not to point fingers or to point out blame, but rather to highlight the hazards associated with each class of construction, emphasizing the pitfalls that have caused these tragedies, so that others may learn from these lessons that have been bought and paid for in blood. Remember that those who fail to study history are doomed to repeat it. I hope to see you there from 1:30 to 3:15 on Wednesday, April 22nd. Stay safe.